Racing gas is started. Real baby break quick, let us start. Garlimax Total Defiance also showing speed is start. Bibas Champion comes next. Share fighting back while Musketeer is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn with the quick is riding Total Defiance on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Garlimax in second, Regal Baby is down in third, and in fourth is Start. Fighting back is down on the inside. Bibas Champion comes next alongside Share while Musketeer is still racing and less back to the leader. We have Total Defiance enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Garlimax now trying to get closer in second. Fighting back is down in third. Start comes next. Then here comes Bibas Champion. Now moving upon the outside. Regal Baby. Musketeer while Share now racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Garlimax. Moving up now on the outside is Bibas Champion with Garlimax by only a length and up. Bibas Champion is on the outside. It's now Bibas Champion moving up on the outside to take the lead. And finally, Bibas Champion. Garlimax is start. Musketeer then comes fighting back. Total Defiance, Regal Baby, and Share comes in last.
Alright, Banqueterista number 7, Bibas Champion crossing the wire first. Ridden by apprentice J.A. Pastoral, then Masi Segundo. Sinunod lang. Number 4, Garlimax, then 8 Stark, Musketeer, fighting back para sa inyong Pentafecta. 74813, panoorin natin replay nitong race number 1.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid